Hello everyone, I am Prarthana and he is Prakhar. Today we are talk about five animal I talk and about few sentences and five animals Prakhar talk about few sentences. Guys, if you can't fly you can run, if you can't run you can walk, if you can't walk you can crawl, but don't stop. इसका मतलब है कि अगर आप उड़ नहीं सकते तो आप
दौड़ो
दौड़ो, अगर आप दौड़ नहीं सकते तो आप
चलो
चलो, अगर आप चल भी नहीं सकते तो आप
रेंगो
रेंगो, बट शांत मत बैठो। वैसे ही हमको अपने इंग्लिश के साथ करना है। गाइज, यू लिसन टू मच वीडियो, यू वॉच टू मच वीडियो एंड एवरी ट्विटर, एवरी टीचर said only one thing: you speak more and more and more. How you speak, it doesn't matter what, how your education, what you study and what you did. It's matter how you speaks. So in this video I'm going to share with you five animal I took take and five animal Prakhar take, and we both are make sentences. It's very useful video to you, so must watch this video till the end and try. After watching this video you try make sentences your own, okay? Because
so so let's play a game.
so let's play, because speaking is very important. When you speak then you able to speak, okay? What happened? Because he is very curious about speak. So okay, we are
let's
start.
let's play a game.
Let's play a game, and after watching this video you comment who play very good role, Prakhar ya me, who is better, okay? So Prakhar, who is first, you ya me? I. So first your
I.
okay, you. So first your animal, which animal you take first?
Elephant.
Elephant, okay, talk.
Elephant has four legs. Elephant is very big. Elephant is very fat.
Huh?
He is powerful. Okay. So
Me-
which animal you take?
I take butterfly.
What? It's not butterfly. It is butterfly.
Butterfly, okay, I take butterfly. Butterfly is many colors.
Butterfly is many color. No, butterfly has many colors.
And he flies on flower and on mud, on tree, around the tree, and I love butterfly.
Two
I
sentence.
love colorful butterfly. And you know what he eat? He eats flowers sweets. Yeah. And
One more.
hey, don't bother me. And yeah, every kids like butterfly. Okay.
That's fine.
Okay.
You can say butterfly can fly.
Yeah, butterfly can fly. So
It's my turn. Tiger.
okay, tiger.
Tiger is our national animal.
Mm-hmm.
Tiger has four legs.
Mm-hmm.
Tiger is very dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
He has a tail.
Mm-hmm.
He has 2 ears,
Mm-hmm.
one nose, and many teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And tiger
And tiger runs very fast.
fast. Wow, good. You
And-
made 7 sentence. You made 7 sentence. Wow, congratulations. And I take cow. Okay.
It's not cow. It's called cow.
Cow. Okay. So cow is
No, I want to say cow.
Cow. Cow is farm animal. We you know he gives me milk.
Not he.
She gives me milk, and milk is very helpful to our, and cow we call Indian called gau mata.
Gaw Mata.
Indian called gau mata, and
One more.
Cow has long tail, 4 leg, etc., etc. And cow,
Etc. mean all things.
yeah. And I
And
love cow milk. I love cow milk. And
I will tell you, etc. is very funny. Like, this is blue circle, yellow circle, and etc.
okay.
So etc. is very funny thing.
Okay. So
Etc. mean all
only
things.
how you know that sentence you speak. It's not too much, but you try to speak more. Okay. Next, your
Dog.
okay. Speak.
Dog has a tail.
You sub
Dog.
don't speak only one
No.
thing. Cow has like a elephant has 4 leg, tiger has 4 leg. One take.
No.
Try to
It
speak.
is my choice.
Okay.
Your word, your choice. My word, my choice.
Okay.
Dog has a tail.
Hmm.
Dog is domestic and wild animal too.
Hmm.
And dog is very dangerous.
Not every dog dangerous. We
Yeah. Some dogs are very dangerous. Dog has 4 legs, and humans love dog.
he eats.
He eats meat and food, etc.
He eat meat and food both. Okay. Now cat. Cat is pet animal, and everyone. Cat is a pet animal, and we love cat. And cat very helpful in your home, and in mouse. So if you stay, if they are stay cat, so they ran away, and his cat save your home. And there are lots of there are many types of cats. Some puffy cats, some have very long hair, puffing hair, and some white, some black, means many type of cat. And yeah, cats love milk. And
And meat too.
cat eat meat and veg and non-veg both. Cat eat both. And I love cat.
So my is duck.
Okay.
Duck live in water.
Uh-huh.
Duck cannot fly very high.
Mm-hmm.
Duck has 2 legs.
Mm-hmm.
The duck has 2 wings. Duck has 1 beak, etc.
Don't say etc. You say duck eat beetles.
etc.
Okay. I take peacock. Peacock is national bird. You know, peacock is national bird, and its feather very colorful. Its feather. And Krishna Bhagwan love feather, peacock feather. And
Feathers, because it's many.
and I love also. And yeah, it's eat beetles and mm, and grains. It's beetle grains.
And peacock,
And
that-
peacock
that-
not fly too high.
I will tell you. Peacock is female, and male peacock is black color. I don't like.
Yeah, peacock is female. Yeah,
Yeah.
peacock is female, and male peacock is
In black color.
in black color. Okay, so I don't know this thing, but you tell me. Thank you so much. Okay, I think everyone seen peacock. I also seen.
I see peacock in
I-
4 o'clock.
He's seen peacock in 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock at morning. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, everyone like peacock. So next your
Bear.
okay.
Bear is very dangerous. Bear has long nails,
Mm-hmm.
and there is 2 nails. One nail's meaning is keel, and second nail's meaning is nakhun.
Okay.
Nails. Bear in a black color. Bear has 4 legs. Bear has short tail. Tail.
Mm-hmm.
And bear have big teeth. Yeah.
And bear like honey.
Yeah, bear like honey.
हाँ.
That etc. etc.
My 5 animal is fish.
Fifth.
Fish. You know,
Fish.
fish. You know what called in fish group?
Yeah.
School.
School.
School. Fish group called in school. And fish is water animal. Everyone knows fish is water animal. Hey, stop. There are so many varieties of fish like shark and
Whale.
and whale and
But I will tell you, octopus is not fish.
okay, octopus is not fish, but starfish.
That's all. That's all. Animal live in water, except octopus. That are fish.
Okay. There are lots of fish, whale, shark, starfish. So many types of fish, and you know when you take out of water, so fish become dead. Means it's leave properly water. Only water it's leave. Took our home to pot. Some people take fish to our home and but I don't like I love fish but I don't like this thing. You take your home and put only little water. I don't like this thing. And okay, so we are talk too much. I talked 5 animal. I talked about 5 animal, and Prakhar also talked about 5 animal. So today we are talked about 10 animal. At least five line we talked. So I think that's video too much helpful you. So bye bye.
Bye bye.